the hose that you rerouted is a little bit too long, so you're going to trim it. And you're going to attach it to this side of the valve. For the next step is just to remove both hoses and remember where they go. You need this lower one. I am not sure if other cars have this connection right here, but that is where the new T connection goes on the lower port of the N75 here. So remove this one here. Okay, here's the T connection that's supplied with the kit. To one side, you're going to attach the tiny piece of hose that was on the lower side of the port on the N75. Put it on there. And another hose clamp. And that one is done. Put the hose back on the N75. And I already put the clamp on here, so all you have to do is just slide the clamp on the connection. Now the hose that's coming from the VNT actuator gets a clamp, and it goes to the other side of the T connection. Now I have to put the clamp back on it. And that side is done. Okay, you were also supplied with another piece of hose that is thinner in diameter. That side will go to the T connection of the valve. And it also gets a clamp. Now I've trimmed my hose to fit the other side of the T connection on here, putting the clamp on it, and it will be connected right there. Put the clamp back on it. Don't forget to put the hose back on. And tidy up everything. The kit also comes with the clamp that comes on here to put it somewhere on the body. I usually use just clamps, so this could be adjusted again. The next step will be to test everything and adjust the load on the spring, and we'll show you how to do that next. You really do need a boost gauge. I have one inside the car. If you don't have one, you can get a temporary gauge from Boostvalve.com or anywhere else. It's simply impossible to set the right overboost, because with the computer you will be doing hundreds of them just to get it right. With the gauge, you will be able to see when this valve is opening and stopping the overboost situation. If you tighten this right here, you're putting more load on the spring by tightening it here. This nut right here is just to lock it in place, but if you tighten it, that means that you're going higher in pressure when the valve will kick in and release that overboost. So this is just a matter of finding the right place and setting it on where you want it. The kit comes with a lower pressure spring inside the valve. You're also supplied with the higher pressure spring. If you're running a regular turbo with up to about 23-24 pounds of boost, the spring should be okay in here. Otherwise, use the higher pressure spring and release the tension on it. So I'm going to set mine right somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to go for a test drive and see where it's releasing that overboost. I'm setting mine at 18 pounds.